AI agent in some sense is a continuum, not a binary, right? It's like you can be more agentic, at least in my opinion. And that's fundamentally about how much of the workflow is deterministic versus not deterministic. Like at the simplest form, you have, a fully predetermined workflow where in each of those steps, there's some LLM being called, in one of those steps or two of those steps. And people call that an agent as well, right? But that's just really like writing traditional software with a machine learning routine in between. And then you have kind of the full extreme, which is the full control flow is decided by an AI agent, right? And that's really hard to do. And I'd say in our world of troubleshooting, you think about it, especially with complex incidents, we have 50, 100 engineers on a call trying to figure out what happened. Right? And the reason that's happening is because there is no playbook. And so we're just hoping that we throw more bodies at it. Somehow, some hero engineer will figure out what happened, and then, the shared context will somehow crystallize, right? And that's kind of a crazy way of doing things, but that is the best we've done so far because of how complex the problem is. And so I think it's one of those situations where it is one of the most agentic problems, in my opinion, out there, troubleshooting like incidents. And that's why I think it's such a hard problem to take on, and why it's a good AI problem, because you cannot like rely on a run book.